Hello boys and girls, this is a video that will explain how to use Google Maps. So if you're already in your Google account, if you're in Calendar or Drive or any of the applications, you can click here on the Google Apps selector and switch to Maps, or type maps.google.com. So it's going to get started in the location where you're at, and we can always zoom out or zoom in or slide the map to other places. So I'm going to zoom out as much as possible, little by little. I can see Mexico, and if I keep going, I can see the whole world. I can look at any place in the world, and this star is where I'm located. So I'm going to zoom back in to Monterrey. Okay, I'm zooming in and centering my map. Okay, now something you can do in Google Maps is find a place. If you know the name of the place, it could be a city and a specific address. You can even have coordinates, and that's something that maybe you'll learn later. So I'm going to look for the school, and I'll just type in the name of the school, American School. Oh, there, I found it. So I click here, and it takes me right here to Santa Catarina, to ASFM. So this red symbol means it's the place I was locating. Okay. And on the left side, this is information about the place. I have here more like the specific address and some other information. And if I click on the picture, I can see some pictures that have been tagged as American School Foundation of Monterrey. Okay. Well, one more thing I can do is go down to Street View. If I take the peg man, this little yellow man that's over here, pick him up and I drag him and drop him on a blue street. If you notice, when I dragged him, anywhere where he can be placed, he's going to turn blue. So I'm going to put it right here at the ASFM entrance. And there you are, at street level, right where I wanted, in front of ASFM. So if you notice, when you're on Street View, you have some arrows on the street. So I'm going to click here and move in the direction of the arrow. That way I can get closer to the entrance. Okay, I have a 360-degree view, can move around and see all around where I am located at this moment. Okay. To get out of the Street View, I'll click up here in the black box and return. Okay. Another thing we can do in Google Maps is to switch to the satellite view. There, it's the same place I was before, but now it's how it looks for real through a satellite. Let me zoom out a little bit. There we have the mountains. Here's a Santa Catarina River. And I can switch with this little square back to the map view. Okay, satellite view and map view. Okay, another thing I can do is find how to go from one place to another. Google Maps can give me instructions or directions on how to get there. So let's suppose that I am at ASFM, this is my starting point, and I want directions to go to Planetario Alpha. Okay, so This, what happens is this map has zoomed in or out as much as possible to show me all the route that I have to take from ASFM to Planetario Alpha. Actually, this is the other way around. This is from the Alpha to ASFM. I'm going to turn this around. There, so my starting point is ASFM. My destination is Planetario Alpha. This can tell me right now it's 11.4 kilometers between ASFM and Planetario Alpha, and it'll take me 19 minutes if I go by car. Okay, if I don't want to see this, I can just close this directions window, and I'm back where I started with, which was looking for ASFM. Now remember, you can look for a place, you can look for a city. Here I am. This is it's zoomed out as much as possible to view the whole city at once. But remember, I can always zoom in. And how about visiting the Statue of Liberty? Yes, it's possible. There are blue lines, so I'm going to drop my pegman right here. And there it is. There's the Statue of Liberty. That's all, boys and girls. Have fun.